Good morning, I'm Dr. Nitin Verma. I am a certified dermatologist and we are doing pico laser toning today. It's one of the fastest and the best laser for pigment reduction and revitalize your skin and erase dark spots, sunspots, even acne scars, and it works on tattoos as well. And the pigmentation, especially post-acne pigmentation, post-pimples pigmentation, it works very good on that. It is supposed to be one of the topmost laser to remove the dark spots which comes after acne, and it removes any kind of skin discoloration and reduces the pore size, and it works on fine acne scars as well. Pico laser is a very versatile laser and it breaks up pigment particles into the smaller particles, and then your body scavenges the smaller particles itself, and it also stimulates collagen production and elastin formation, so that you will get relief in fine lines and wrinkles. Even you can just postpone fine lines and wrinkles. It stimulates your natural healing process of the body, and it is good for as a maintenance session for the skin. As a maintenance facial also you can take this. You can combine pico laser with various other procedures as it's extremely safe. It has no downtime, it is not painful, no side effects at all, and mild redness usually come after the setting that subside in few hours. No burning sensation, nothing. It's a very nice session to postpone aging and to have a good, glowing, healthy skin. Thank you. Thanks for watching.